Welcome to my channel. Today we will briefly touch upon the topic of Domestic Violence Act. It's a battle waged behind closed doors in the supposed sanctuary of homes. This is the unseen battle against domestic violence. Every third woman in India is a silent soldier in this battle, a startling statistic that we cannot afford to ignore. In this video, we aim to shed light on the Domestic Violence Act, 2005 in India, which serves as a beacon of hope for countless women suffering from this pervasive issue. We will delve into some shocking statistics, dissect the act in detail, and share powerful stories of transformation and empowerment. Each represents a life touched by this unseen battle, each a testament to the resilience and strength of women. Remember, these are not just numbers, they represent real women, real lives, and real stories of pain and resilience. Join us as we explore this critical topic and learn how we can all play a role in ending this silent battle. Every third woman in India suffers from domestic violence, a chilling fact that is hard to ignore. In the heart of this stunning nation, a silent battle rages on. It's a battle fought behind closed doors, within the confines of what should be a safe haven, the home. The National Family Health Survey reveals that an astounding 1 in 3 women in India has faced domestic violence. This is not a minor issue, it's a widespread, prevalent crisis that demands our attention. The severity of the issue is further underscored by the National Crime Records Bureau. They report that every 4 minutes, a woman is subjected to cruelty by her husband or his relatives. That's 15 women every hour, 360 women every single day. These numbers are not just cold, impersonal statistics, they represent real women living real lives, enduring real pain. But they also symbolize resilience, the strength to survive, to persist, and to fight back. These numbers are not just figures, they represent real women, real lives, and real stories of pain and resilience. In response to this pervasive problem, the Domestic Violence Act was enacted in India in 2005. This landmark legislation was crafted with a singular purpose: to provide relief and protection to victims of domestic violence. It's a comprehensive law addressing not just physical abuse, but also emotional, economic, and sexual violence within the domestic sphere. The Act acknowledges the right of every woman to live in her home without fear of violence or intimidation. It supports her right to seek justice and receive protection. The law offers a variety of remedies, including protection orders, residence orders, and monetary relief. Importantly, it also covers child custody and compensation orders, recognizing the impact of domestic violence on the wider family unit. The Act is not just a piece of legislation, but a tool for change. It's a testament to society's commitment to protect its most vulnerable members. The law stands as a beacon of hope for many, but its effectiveness can only be measured by its implementation. Consider the story of Priya, a woman from a small village in Rajasthan. Priya, just like many others, was a victim of domestic violence, living in constant fear and despair. Her days were marred by brutalities, her spirit crushed under the weight of abuse. However, Priya's story is not one of perpetual suffering, but one of courage and transformation. Summoning her strength, Priya decided to seek help. She turned towards the very law that was designed to protect her, the Domestic Violence Act 2005. With its aid, she fought her battle, seeking protection and relief from her tormentor. The act bestowed upon her the rights she was denied for so long, offering her a shield of legal protection. It provided her with a path to escape her oppressive environment and begin anew. Today, Priya stands tall, a beacon of hope for countless others in similar situations. Priya's story is a testament to the power of the law when used correctly. Now, let's turn our attention to Rani, a woman from a bustling city in Maharashtra. Rani lived a life tinged with fear and anxiety, a victim of domestic violence. She endured the pain in silence, her voice stifled by the walls of her own home. But then, an awareness campaign rolled into her city, shedding light on the Domestic Violence Act of 2005. Rani's world transformed. The act was like a beacon in the dark, a promise of hope and justice. She learned about the legal reliefs it offered, the steps she needed to take, and the rights she didn't know she had. Empowered by this newfound knowledge, Rani took a stand. She sought help from the law, her voice no longer stifled but amplified by the power of this act. Her journey to freedom was arduous, but she emerged victorious, a beacon for others in her situation. Rani's journey underscores the importance of awareness and the potential of the Domestic Violence Act to bring about change. The stories of Priya and Rani are not isolated. They reflect the experiences of millions of women across India. These are stories of courage, resilience, and the power of law. The Domestic Violence Act of 2005 is a beacon of hope, offering relief and protection to countless women. Yet, this powerful tool remains underutilized, largely due to lack of awareness. It's time we change that. It's time we amplify our voices, reach out to our communities, and spread the word about this life-changing act. We must enlighten our friends, our families, our neighbors about the reliefs under the Domestic Violence Act. Let's highlight the importance of understanding it, not just for the victims, but for each one of us. Because awareness is our first line of defense against domestic violence. Today, let's pledge to do our part in this battle. Share this video, spread the word, and together, we can make a difference in the fight against domestic violence in India.